Yo, I don't know what happened. I saw that cop and the camera just cut off. That was crazy. I have no idea what happened. Oh man, not the slightest idea. I have no idea what happened after the camera. I don't know why the camera even cut off. It just randomly cut off. That was crazy. Whew. Anyways, man, we have made it over to the beautiful city of Buckhead. This is where all, like, the kids go, I guess. I don't know, because I don't come down here no more. I used to hang out down here back in my younger days. I used to be back down this way, but now you won't catch me over here. Well, apparently that's not true because I'm here right now, but usually you won't catch me right here. Oh man, oh man. Oh, these wires irritate me, bro. Whoa. What kind of car is this behind me? Chat, what kind of car is this behind me, chat? Oh, freak. Oh, freak. I couldn't even see it, chat. Why didn't my bumper, though? Hey, he must not know GSP sit on this road. It'd be funny. That's GSP. Well, there you have it. Oh my goodness, bro. I crack myself up. I literally can't entertain myself, bro. Hey, that's all the drunkies walking home from the club. Look, drunk. That's dangerous. That's two girls walking home. Oh, what I tell you? Oh, that's GSP too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm not making no noise in the city. We just sightseeing today. Cause boy. Oh, that's another one right there. That's APD. I should have turned. Oh no, that's a Tahoe. Chill. Drunk people and drunk kids and all that. Yeah, don't be like them, y'all. Get in the cars where we just drive past them and look at them and be like, okay, that's what we don't want to be like. Man, y'all, this is a very nice area. I mean, it's not the nicest obviously, but it's decent for what it is. A lot of people used to hang out down there too, down by the Waha, and that's going towards Kennesaw too. And back where I used to live, back where my stomping grounds at. But y'all know where I live? Y'all don't know what area I live in, I don't think. Not hard to figure out, but yeah. We just gonna cruise around through the nice, beautiful city, man. City of Atlanta, bro, it's unmatched. And you know we gotta hit my favorite strip, bro. We gonna hit my favorite strip. I love it. Oh, wait, what you doing in that limo? Bro got the lights off. Oh, look at this spot right here, y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all this spot right here. careful going in. I think y'all already saw this spot on another POV, but if you new, you about to see the spot again, man. Hold on, I gotta snag a couple pics. Snag a couple pics. Oh, my phone died. No way my phone died. And I didn't even know it. I'm out here having too much fun with y'all. Hey, give me 1 second, man. 1 second, 1 second. Oh, I didn't put these wheels straight real quick. Yo, this spot is fire. I freaking love it. Okay. Bro, look how dirty the car is. Y'all can't even tell, really? This car is freaking filthy. Holy cow. Sorry, though. It'll get cleaned up. It'll get cleaned up. Oh, man. It will get cleaned up. Put that away. Let's put this phone back on the charger and we good. I be treating my car like it's DCT, and it's so funny because I do it every time. Have I ever owned a DCT car before? Absolutely not. Damn, they sleep on the ground over there. It's crazy. Hey, don't please, why you get over? So you get over now. It's a charger. Is it a police charger? No, it ain't. He know better. Told you. Did it sell that little scat? I ain't gonna cut up through the city like that with you, my boy. It's too dangerous. Sell it! I thought he knew better, y'all, and that was a second gear pull. You Mopar owners will never learn, huh? He thought he had me because I started rolling first and I went to second. Buddy, all-wheel drive. I'll hook up at any time I need to, buddy. Bro just hey, bro just got burbled. Oh my goodness, that is so funny, bro. I would just start burbling on people. Oh my goodness, that is so funny, bro. I literally just slowed down and just burbled on him, bro. That is great. That is freaking great. Oh man, I cannot wait to pull up to the house, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit too much right now. But that American deli ready to go. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna continue on with the video because we gotta come on now. We'll never stop a video. Can't nothing stop the motion in the ocean. Hey, bro got beat in a race and then burbled on. Oh, hold on. Whoa. I don't even want to go this way no more. Where you at? Hey, as long as it's not GSP, y'all, I really don't be too worried. But when it's GSP, not gonna lie to you, I am very much so worried. And it's GSP. Look, he's sitting right there. That's crazy. I'm like sneaking past right now. Oh my goodness. What he doing right there? Hey, he don't belong in that, like, hey, he like blacked out too. What if somebody run into the back of him? Hey y'all, hey, that's GSP, so I will not be making any noise. All right, bro, chill. I will not be making any noise down this street just yet because that is GSP. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to, like, no. And GSP will pit maneuver me, run me over, and then handcuff me, and then tell me to put my hands behind my back at the same time. So, I must admit, I'm not doing it. Hey, I ain't making no noise. We gonna calmly drive. Oh, good thing he was on Tinder. Every time I see a cop sitting there, like, yeah, he running radar, but he was also on Tinder. If you look over at him, and you know what I'm saying, he looked like he was on Tinder. I know what he was doing. Oh, the Kia. Gee willikers. Wouldn't know how to handle that thing, dude. Too much horsepower. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Hey, we have successfully made it past GSP. I am about to end the video here though. It's been going on for a little too long and the camera keep cutting off. See, y'all didn't believe me, but now I just did it again. I had no reason to cut the camera off. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, man.